So this question is asking, simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So this is the denominator we are going to rationalize. So we are going to multiply by this number, but between this sign, multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So here we are going to have, we multiply by root 5 minus, so this is minus, so we are going to put a plus there, root 2 all over root 5 plus root 2. So this is going to give us this root 2 into bracket this number, root 5 minus root 2, then plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 2 divided by this, so is equals to root 5 into bracket root 5 plus root 2 minus root 2 into bracket this root 5 plus root 2. So this is going to give us root 2 multiplied by root 5 is equals to root 10 minus root 4, this multiplied by this, plus root 3 multiplied by this is equal to root 15, plus 3 multiplied by root 2 is equals to root 6 divided by root 5 multiplied by root 5 is equals to root 25 plus root 10 minus root 10 plus root 4. This is a whole number, so we write it here. So there is no any common number here, so root 10 minus root 4 is equals to 2 plus root 15 is equals to root 15 all over this positive root 10 and this negative root 10, they are going to cancel, so we're going to have here root 25 plus root 4, which is equals to root 10, rewriting this, minus 2 plus root 15 plus root 6 all over root 25 is equals to 5 plus root 4 is equals to 2. So we're going to have the answer is root 10 minus 2 plus root 15 plus root 6 all over 7. So this is the required answer. Thank you.